Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be fixing two slimes. This is one of them. It's a jiggly, runny, it's a jiggly, soft, metallic. It used to be metallic slime, but I added Model Magic clay into it, butter slime. And I will be also trying to fix this lavender slime. They're perfectly fine, I mean. This is like an interview and fixing. So yeah. Soon I have to go to an open house. Studio soon. So yeah, but we're gonna be fixing up slimes. So first we're gonna add this lotion. Why aren't you lotioning? Right, it's aired. Has air in it, so just keep pumping. Leading in lotion. Well, let's just mix this up for right now. You should somehow get your little face. If I go like this, then you'll go full into slime. Oh, I have an idea. What if I put you guys down like this? Slime on my elbow, slime. There we go. Sorry if you see that sticker, that's just from my dentist. Yeah, after this video, go watch the My Little Pony movie. I never watched it, but I think they turn into mermaid, mermaid ponies. So, why? I had to open it up now. Oh, because the thing got blocked. The thing got blocked with lotion. Why? It isn't working. Guys, comment down below if you don't know what's happening with it. Can you guys hear that? This is amazing. I made it yesterday and it was awful. I had to keep adding lotion into it because it was so stiff because of the Model Magic. It's pink Model Magic. I probably should have tested it for a minute, but putting it back in its Tupperware, they're not like big Tupperwares, they're thin ones. That's a big slime. So this one's a little smaller. I love to make sure all the slime's off the lid. I put a little lotion in it. This slime has a ton of crackles. It's really stretchy. And let's try to make some clicks. That's really good, you guys. If you make a slime, comment down below if you get a slime, if it's not a butter slime, but that butter slime's really gonna make them bubbles. Comment down below if you can make, bam, a slime bubble. Here, let me make one right now. The slime's a little sticky, so making a video now. My mom came in, but you can't see her face because the camera's low. I'm trying to make a slime bubble, guys. If you think I'm just crazy, comment down below cuckoo or slime if you think I'm crazy. Bam! Slime bubble. And I just put it. I feel like the slime isn't a fast stretcher until you start stretching it. See how fast see how it's kind of not coming down fast and then it just plops down. So I'm gonna get this Tupperware I'm gonna smash it down. You know what? I'm gonna go get a soap. Be right back, you guys. Cherry Blossom soap. Put in 3 squirts. Oh my gosh, having a heart attack. Maybe the lotion would be really nice right now. Why? Why does it do this? It's like, I don't want to touch it anymore. Why? It's like, you know what, I think there's still like, yeah, there's some in my hair. I'm gonna go see if there's any activator. You said it was below steam. Metallic. My hands are a mess. Maybe I just need to keep kneading it. If you don't know what kneading is, this is what kneading is. You just need to... Okay, just need it to be kneaded. Wasn't that bad. Okay, so it's a little too sticky. Maybe the lotion would be good for it now. Can you like... Yes, lotion. Sorry guys, the lotion. Okay, finally. Finally, I see some lotion. 3:51, I have to go, guys, soon. Oh, what? That was weird. Okay, let's see if this thing will work now. It has not been working since the beginning of the... Seriously? That's all the lotion we're getting? Dude, we need more lotion. Okay, I'm gonna just keep kneading it, you guys. If you have slime issues, just keep stretching it like this. Then it'll get less sticky. Is my slime forever sticky now? No, I'm gonna see if water will do. Here, I'll be right back. Boom. Okay. I put on water. Ooh. Ugh. I probably should do this over my Tupperware. Okay, I'm just gonna stop touching it. Trying to scrape it off my hands. It's already 9 minutes in the video. Oh my god, I think I should just go wash my hands. Be right back. Just admire my slime. If I knew where Mom put the activator again, I would like use it. pouring water. Maybe I can use this. No. Maybe I can just mix it with a spoon. Small spoon because we're running out of mixers. Okay. I feel like a spoon would work. And my hands are a mess again. I think I should just, my hand is a mess. I really don't want to wash this. Why are you turning into pasta? Ew, this is gross. The last bit of lotion did not save me. Same thing with the soap and water. Maybe Dawn would work. I don't know where the heck Mom put Dawn. I'm just going to use a paper towel to get the slime off. I see this soap, but I'm too lazy to go get it. Okay, guys, do not do this at home. Never do this. I'm just gonna see what happens if it sits overnight, because I'm just gonna say the lotion made it runny. I'm just gonna say that I don't want to play with that song. Never lie to your parents, but I'm just gonna say nothing and put this somewhere. I'll be right back, you guys. Okay guys, I'm back, and as you can see, there's a mess here, so I'm just gonna rub this. I have 4 minutes, like 3 minutes. I have 2 more minutes to, you know what? Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, put post notifications on so you never miss any of my videos. Bye! And today's shout out is for, drumroll please, pass holders for Disney World and Land. Pass holders for Disney World, actually. Shout out to you guys and the Disney World people and the Disney World channels and stuff. So that's the shout out. Bye. Like it, like seriously. Subscribe. Make sure you actually subscribe to become a Slime member. And put post notifications on. Make sure it's on all so you never miss any of my slimy videos. Bye. Happy slime.